Mini Split Express wants to give you a tip on an essential topic for every homeowner. Why deep cleaning your mini split AC unit is an absolute must. A neglected AC can become a breeding ground for dust, allergens, and even mold. But clean it regularly, and you're breathing fresh, healthy air. Regular cleaning of the filters is the first step you can take as the user. As you can see, it is easy for homeowners to remove these blue filters. These filters should be rinsed with warm water once a month at minimum, but more frequently if there are any pets or large amounts of dust in the area. A professional deep cleaning service should also be performed on a yearly basis where all plastic coverings are removed and the unit is thoroughly cleaned, including the outdoor condenser. When performed by Mini Split Express, rest assured you will have the cleanest mini split on the block. Mini Split Express also uses an anti-mold cleaning spray to the coils, allowing you to breathe in the freshest air possible. So there you have it. Cleaning your mini split AC isn't just a chore. It's an investment in your comfort, savings, and well-being. Call the best. Call Mini Split Express to take care of all your mini split cleaning and maintenance needs.